Hi everyone, the first tool I want to talk about today is called Kahoot. You can reach it at this website up here, kahoot.com. Kahoot is a really cool tool that I actually first discovered working on campus at the IT Solution Center. We use it in our all staff meetings to kind of help liven up the presentations and just make things a little bit more interesting. And as soon as I experienced it for the first time, I realized what a fun tool this could be to make your presentations more interactive and kind of help foster game-based learning and things like that in the classroom. So to get to the main website, you just first go to kahoot.com and then you would sign up over here. I already have an account, so I'm going to actually flip over to that tab. This is what it will look like once you sign in. You can see what Kahoots you already have made. You can create new Kahoots. You can also play the Kahoots you already have. So to start out with, I'm actually going to show you first how to play a Kahoot and what it looks like, and then show you how to make a Kahoot. So if we go ahead and hit play this Kahoot, it'll come over here. It looks like this. I'm going to half screen so you can see both what it looks like from the player's perspective on the left and from the administrator's perspective on the right. And we're going to play the classic version. I also have it open on my phone so I can have two teams going. All right. So all you have to do is tell your people to go to kahoot.it, this right here, kahoot.it, and then they put in this PIN number, which in this case it's 440638 to join. And then we wait for my slow internet to catch up. And then you put in a nickname for yourself, like this will be my computer. And this one, I also have open on my cell phone here. We'll call that one the cell. Awesome. Cell and computer, you can see the two names right there. Then you can just go ahead and hit start. And there's 3 questions you can tell in this game, and it's a survey, multiple choice answer. So the first question is, what is my favorite color? We can win up to 1,000 points here. So they just have to pick what is my favorite color. In this case, my favorite color is blue. Let's see. Woohoo! Both I got it right on both accounts. Awesome. Perfect. And you do get points for how fast you answer the question too. So then we're going to hit the next question. That'll tell you the leaderboard. Awesome. Next question is, what is my favorite animal? So on this part, I'm going to purposely get one of them wrong so you can see the difference here. My favorite animal is the moose, but I'm going to say it's the three-toed sloth on my phone. Awesome. So you can see one got it right and one got it wrong. There you can see computer went way up in the points and the cell phone stayed the same. Then our last question, what is my favorite place? And my favorite place is the mountains. Awesome. So there you can see that they both got it right. So there's the results. You can see who the big winner is. In this place, the big winner is the computer. So that's kind of what it looks like while you're playing the game itself. But now let me show you exactly how you make a Kahoot. It's kind of a fun game. A lot of kids get really into it. I know our staff, when we play it in the all staff meetings, get super, super into it. And it's like dead heat competitions. And it's important to note that you can play individually or as a team. So I'm going to hop back to the Create My Kahoot page, the main sign-in page, and we're going to make a new Kahoot. And to do that, you click on this New K button on the top left-hand side. And there's lots of different ways you can create a Kahoot, but we're going to make another quiz because that's what I'm most familiar with. So first thing you have to do is title it, and we'll call this KSP Top 10 Example. Then you can add description here, add a description. You can add a photo. You can upload one. So, oh, look, I have an airplane up there. We can put the airplane up. Awesome. That's from my website. You can make it visible to just a few people over here, or only me or everyone. You can change the English or the language of the test. You can also have to select the audience. In this case, my audience is school. Down here, you can actually add an intro video or a credit resource as well, but I'm going to skip that for right now. So you go, okay, go, and then you add a question. So question 1, we're just going to say pick A. You can pick how long the participants have to answer the question. You can decide to award points, yes or no. You need to put in all the answers. So I'm going to pick A, B, C, D. And then you just have to check which answer is right. So in this case, we're going to check the first answer. Then you can add an image, upload an image, or add a video. They have all these stock images you can use, which is super helpful. Let's use this one. This one looks cool. And then wait for my slow internet to catch up again. You hit next. Awesome. Then you can add another question. Let's do pick D this time. Again, you can change that time limit. We'll call it 10 seconds. We'll go A, B, C, D, right answer, add an image. Oh, look at, let's do the smiley face Cheerios. And then you can go ahead and hit next again. Then once you're satisfied, you can add as many questions as you want. You would just hit save, and that'll save your question. And then you can edit it, you can preview it, you can play it, you can share it, all those different options, or you can hit I'm done. And then this will bring you back to your main Kahoot page and you can see your different Kahoots you have. So that's kind of how kahoot.com works and why I think it's a really cool tool. It is super cool because it kind of encourages your shy students to come out if you do an individual one, but it also encourages teamwork and group work when you are challenging the class in different teams. It's definitely a tool that I will use in my classroom in the future, and I would highly encourage it to use it in yours or even in your work meetings or any other form that you think it might be useful. Thanks so much, everybody.